Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the system section. After that, tap here to the developer options. If you deactivate it, you will see the developer options section, and just to hide them you should click here to the on switcher just to turn it off. Now we need to restart our device to change the settings. Okay, click here to restart. Just wait here a couple of seconds while our device will restart in here. Now we just should activate the device just by press the power button here on the right side of our phone. Wait a couple of seconds while the device will turn on. And now one will go back again into the settings here. Scroll down to the systems, and here we can see that our developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our REALME C31. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.